might recognize where I am. I'm at Yesteryear Antique Center in Hanover, Pennsylvania. You might be asking yourself, what am I doing here? I'm supposed to be on a road trip. Well, I was a little discouraged after my last day out shopping in Pennsylvania. So I'm at it again. This is definitely going to be my last trip. I'm leaving in just a few short days. Of course, it hasn't been that long since I've been here. I just did my live shop along here on Whatnot a few days ago. Hopefully it's been long enough. I'm gonna go to a few places today, and I have one last sale to fill before I hit the road. I've been trying to preload everything for the shows that I'm doing while I'm driving across the country, because taking photos and listing and doing all that while shipping, whatnotting, shopping, driving across the country, it's one too many things. So let's go in and see what we can find. So it looks like they're in the process of moving one of my favorite vendors' booths, who used to be in the far back corner. Oh my gosh, look at this little to the front. This is so cute. Little dog pencil sharpener. I'm not sure if it works. It's $5 and 30% off. It's kind of fun. Then the other thing I see here are the what's going on here? Magnetic curtain holders. Oh, how cool. $8 and 30% off. Those are kind of neat. I've bought already way too much stuff. I think I've easily filled a sale, but I'm gonna do it anyway because it's kind of cool, especially for that price. You can't really argue. What is this? Little Valentine. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my gosh. You're never gonna believe what I just found. It's covered in powder. We're gonna have to go outside and dump the powder out of this. Evening in Paris, $7. Maybe they have, oof, this is messy. Let me clean this up. Well, now that I'm covered in Evening in Paris powder for $7 and 30% off, I am gonna grab that. I love the graphics on these boxes. I had a tin one in my last sale, and people went crazy about it. In fact, when I posted the video, almost all of the comments were about the Evening in Paris box, so I'm grabbing it. I don't know why, but for some reason, the more I walk around with these, the more I'm kind of like, about them. This dog pencil sharpener is so cute, but it also has a chip on it. I'm just kind of nervous about that. Is it a chip? It's such a good deal. I think it's kind of fun. And I'm gonna let it go. I did a lot of damage over there. Personal Bible. It's only $1. That's very cool. Kind of feel like a little hungover from those cases. And going back and forth, kicking myself about leaving and not leaving things when I saw this. Wow, that is a fantastic tin. Fabulous. I don't want to just start grabbing stuff, even though it's a good deal. I've filled a lot of spots of that sale already. Just from those cases alone, I can't even express to you how much I ended up buying over there. I'm kind of sick to my stomach about it, but whatever, it's okay. I got some really unique stuff. I picked up a bunch of glass and heavier items that I said I wasn't going to, but you know how I am. A couple things here kind of caught my attention. These are kind of neat. These salt and pepper shakers. Those are kind of cool. I like the shape of those. I mean, for $3, let me stop being so weird. And I also am kind of into this miniature brass apple. I can already feel myself getting out there. I'm kind of into these little pots. $8, $5. They are signed. They're vintage. They're 70s. This one's got a little nick on. Well, actually, I mean, it's fair. I'm kind of into these. This is cool too. I like the glaze on those. You know what? They're different than what I normally pick up. So I'm kind of already neck deep in this situation. Why not? I'm gonna get this one and this one. These are kind of interesting to me. Then I'm also looking over here. Oh my gosh, my stomach's rumbling. I cannot wait to go eat lunch. What is this? This is cool. Beads. That's kind of weird. And then what's this one? This is a really cool necklace. It's got a little bit of wear to it, but $2. It's kind of cool. And then what's this? That's different too. Beads, beads, beads. All right, I'm getting a little out there. Let me reel it in. If these had a little less wear to it, I would get that for sure. All right, I need to pick up the pace a little bit. I've been here way longer than I realized. Now, what do we have here? $40. This is really pretty. What about over here? This one's pretty too. Fenton. I don't know. It's a little close. I think I actually might have looked at that when I was here last. Maybe not. Ooh. As found. It doesn't work. It's for display only, but it's only like $7 after the discount. Japan. It's a really good deal if you were just looking for a display piece. I feel like whenever I sell lighters, though, I always get so many questions, at least on Etsy, and that one's definitely non-functional. It's locked up. But look at this little miniature small blue. That's cute. It's only $3. Why not? I think I'll take that. What are these? Strawberries. Sugar beaded strawberries. Some have some wear though. This is a cool one. I've managed to pick up the pace a little bit. I am kind of looking forward to lunch. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so cool. It's fantastic. I forget what that's called. Someone's gonna remind me, and I'm gonna kick myself for not picking it up probably. Oh my gosh, look at the bride and groom. These are hilarious. What? Bride and groom Kokeshi dolls? I've never seen anything like that. Those are fantastic. Nesting dolls. Those are fantastic. I love the colors on those. What is this funny thing? $6. Cat. Black cat. I kind of love him. I think we'll take him for $6. Couldn't help but notice this little flower vase made in Japan. Don't see a price tag on it. It's probably like $1 or something. This vendor has really good prices. Look, here's a bunch of little knickknacks and doodads. Well, there's a bunch of stuff here that catches my attention. The first thing is this little apple. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's got the little spoon and it's lined and it's made in Japan for $4. I think I'm gonna grab that. It's kind of an apple-y day here. And this is very cute, but $20 a bit much. This is interesting. I see 50% off. 50% off what? Wait, stop. 50% off 24? So that would be $12? For real? Wow. That's super unique. If that's $12, I kind of have to take it on principle. And it's one of those things where I like some of the wear it has. I mean, it's in pretty great condition all around, but it's got a few spots of wear, but it kind of shows its age a little. I like that. Now, this also caught my attention over here. Cat painting, $3.50. That is neat. I wonder, I feel like I should pick that up for $3. Why not? Cats are always a safe bet. What is this funky monkey thing? That's cute. $7. 15% off. It's fun looking. I think I'm gonna leave them though. The bird's very cool. Have I looked at this before? $6? No, there's no way I looked at this before because I would have taken it. That's awesome. Why is it so cheap? The cat is 12. Japan, yeah. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend considering I had one of those not long ago, but I'm taking the bird for $6. Still can't understand why it's half the price. Maybe because they know the cats sell really well. Speaking of which, I'm turning around to find this. This is so cool. Cat picture, $8. Sold. I love that. That's really unique. What is this fabulous fish? $45. You know what? I would buy that for myself in a heartbeat, but that's very cool. That's neat. What about this lucite? This is cool too, $18.50. Love that. Oh my gosh, my basket's making a mess. Hold on. The paperweight's neat at 28. What is this? Vintage bird flower pot clip. That's very cute. $8, no discount. It's got a little crack in it. Not that bad, but still, I could probably still make money off of it, honestly, because it's a bluebird. But I'm gonna leave it. I'm starting to fear what my total is here. I really like this wall pocket. That's cool, $15. I wish there was a pair. What about this dresser box? That is very neat. Vintage Better Wear Plastic Lady 2-part powder trinket box. Twist lady for second compartment. Yeah. Oh no, there's a little top too. Oh, I see. That's cute. $12.50. Let me check it. It's got a little bit of wear. Well, I think I am gonna leave it. However, while I was down here, this is neat. Looks like a newer one. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. This is what I was gonna say. While I was down here, I ran into this fantastic embroidered flamingo palm tree cigar box purse. It's at $29. It's a little too close for me. $49.50. Wow, this is gorgeous. $68.50. I feel like that's fair. That thing is really amazing. What about $45? Really pretty. What is going on up here? Vintage swinging dancing hula girl. That's kind of a wild looking one, isn't it? Well, this booth has 20% off. There's a couple things here. One is the Evening in Paris compact, and the other is this compact with the rhinestones. It's missing a rhinestone at $18 and 20% off. I'm wondering if I could get away with that. Really like the look of that one. There's a couple pins in here too I want to grab. I see a seahorse pendant for $3 and 20% off. That poodle pin is very interesting. I'm gonna grab that. That comes to $4 after the discount. Of course, I also see the cat pin. That's kind of an interesting one with the gold Danecraft. I'm not familiar. This Spanish bullfighter mouse pin, that's gotta come with me too. What's going on over here? Bakelite scarf clip. That's kind of neat. I don't feel like that has any much room. Look at the pinup girl ones. Those are neat. I love these cases that twirl. While I was going to get the key, I ran into these fantastic vintage Greyhound traveling brochures. Look at the graphics on that for $3 each. I'm gonna grab them.